Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel AashiEdu and I am your teacher. I am right now in Germany. I don't have whiteboard, that's legend. I have copy. I will teach you on the copy. Look, list to German. Let's start. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So how how RARERU YOU how are you? So in how are you in German we get third year. We get S year. Okay. We guessed GEH. We guessed SESR look. And now second word is what what is ISEDU YOU are your name and AL name. You see, if you go in Germany, so you can learn. Now this is English, then I will write some German. So in German I will not write, so I will tell you. And first then beta sign double S. You don't know, but he's here coming. So T how it do D U. Look. Then third is the who are you? So WH who RARERU who are you? So in who are you in German said wer bist du? W E R wer bist du? Bist 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 du? You learn all day. Then you remember how to tell. You can also see more my channel that's legit. This is also nice for Germany. This is then third then fourth is we are the best too. We are the best too. We are the best too.
First English, then German.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. How old are you? How HOW how? So how old? OL the old RARERU how old are you? If you don't know some English, so you can learn in my channel. So many my videos. You can see my videos. Because my videos nice. I know everything. That's reason you also learn my YouTube channel. So this is done. Then we alt bis bis two du do this. We alt bis two. Then fifth one last Do you know what is that? Where do you live? Where? W H E R E. Where do D or do you Y O U R your you live? L-I-V-E live. Then in German, in German,
Where do you live? Not
you
ask.
oh, I went wrong.
Okay.
So where do you live is done. Then I will German start. So in where do you live? Wo W O wo is W O H N S T one is do. T you do. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and comment spot to in my description and bye bye.